In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a really good Shopify store, because if your store looks like this, you're not getting any sales. If you follow these steps in the video, your store will be better than 90% of other dropshippers. So let's get started. Go on Google and search Shopify, or click the link in the description. Right now, it's only $1 a month. Just type in your email and start the free trial. Then you can just skip these, select your store name, wait, and there we go. The first thing we gotta do is add the product. Go to Apps, then the Shopify App Store and search for ZenDrop. Then click Add App and install it. Then search for your product. Mine is right here, and this is the reason I'm using ZenDrop, because of the 10 to 15 day international shipping. Now click Add to Import List, then go to the Import List. Then just delete all of this for now. And click Import to Store. Then go to Imported Products, and you'll see this will take a couple of minutes. So meanwhile, we're gonna do the pages. Click Online Store, Pages, and click Add New Page. Then you're gonna go to the free copy and paste blueprint in the description. Now, to be honest, I got most of this from the Ecom King a while back, so full credit to him. Link in the description to his channel. But look at the menu to the left, click Shipping and Delivery. Just copy this, paste here. Then go back and copy this and paste it here. Then hit Ctrl F or Command F and type your store name. Then you will get these highlights in the text. Just change this to whatever your store name is. Then do the same with privacy policy, refunds and returns, terms of service. Then make a FAQ, but don't write anything yet. Then go to the contact page and paste the text from the blueprint. Now go to navigation and edit the main menu. Then click Edit on Catalog and delete the link to all products and select your specific product. And also change the name from Catalog to Shop. Then add your FAQ page and move it up here and click Save. Then go into the footer and delete the search. Add your FAQ, your product, and call it Shop. Then add your contact page and click Save. Now add a new menu and call it Information. Here you gotta add shipping and delivery, privacy policy, refunds and returns, and terms of service. Now go to Themes, scroll down and add the Sense theme. And when it's ready, click Publish and Customize. Then just delete all these sections for now and hide the email sign-up. Now go to the footer and click on Menu, then change the name to About and your store name. Then delete the Our Store block and move the image up. Also delete the Our Promise block and add a new menu. Then add the Information menu and change the name to Information. Then we're gonna change the color, so go to Theme Settings, then Colors. And for this store, I want a blue color. So go onto Google and search blue color palette. I like this color, and you have the color code right here. Go back to the store and find the Accent 2 gradient and change the color to the code you just found. Now copy it and click a random place on a line here. Then paste the color here and make the number 75%. Click on the color mark to the right and make it white. And then I prefer this type of fade. Then click on the Accent 2 and make it white. And then make the Accent 1 color, your store color as well. Then go back to Sections and go to the footer. Then change the color scheme to Accent 2. Also click on the announcement bar and make that Accent 2 as well. And change the text to your offer. Mine is Shop Now and get 40% off. Then go to Color again and make the background 1 gradient completely white. And the same with background 1. Then go back to Sections and click on the header. Here I prefer the logo position middle left. Now go back to Theme Settings again and hide the color. Then open the typography and change the fonts. For headings, just type ITC and select the first one and make it bold. For the body, pick Roboto and just keep it regular. Now we need a logo, so I'm gonna find a dog paw on Google. I like this one. So open Photoshop or other editing software. Make the width 500, the height 100, and resolution 300. So copy the dog paw, paste it into Photoshop. Hit Ctrl T to resize it. Then use the magic wand tool to mark the background and hit delete. Now make sure to write your name correctly because I apparently didn't do that in my other video, and somehow only one of you realized it. Even this guy that copied my store didn't even realize it. A simple logo trick is to bold the first half of the word. Then I'm gonna move it around a bit. And I think this is pretty good. Now just change the color to white and hit save. Then make another with your store color and save that as well. Go back to the store and click the image in the footer and upload your white logo. Then click on the header and upload your colored logo here and just make it full size. This is already pretty good, so hit save. Click this drop-down menu and go to Checkout and click Open Checkout here. And upload your colored logo as well. We can quickly view it on mobile and it's pretty good. Down here you can see the Powered by Shopify. We're gonna remove that. And if we go to the cart page, we are also gonna change this line here since we have free shipping. Then hide this featured collection and the email sign-up. Now click the drop-down and go to Page and Default Page. Here are we also gonna remove the email sign-up. And do the same on the contact page. Click Save and Control-click on Exit. Now click here so we can view our store, and down here you can see the Powered by Shopify. To remove that, click the dots and hit Edit Languages. Search for Powered and at Powered by Shopify click space. Save that and it's gone. Now let's remove this on the cart page. So copy it and paste it here. And then type something like, "This week only free shipping." Refresh and it's updated. Now go to Product and change the title. And delete these images and upload your own. You can take some pictures yourself if you have the product, otherwise just find some online. Reorder your images so the best images are first. Reorder the color so it fits the picture. So pink, blue, green, and yellow. Now this is very important. If you have variants, the first variant should be the best picture. Otherwise the variant image will come up first and it will mess up your image order. Then you can just make these the variant image. Click Save and go back. Now select it and click Edit Products. Here just type in your price and your compared price. So let's go to the product page and it's been updated. Also, see this icon up here? We're gonna change that by adding a favicon. So go into Photoshop again and make it 200 by 200. And here I'm just gonna add the dog paw and make it blue. Save it and go to Theme Settings. Find favicon and just upload it. Now refresh and you can see it here. Now we're gonna make the product page, so go to App and open the App Store. Search for Gempages, add app, and hit install. Then just select Complete Store and pick your niche. Now this is $29 a month, but it has a 30-day free trial, so that should be enough to make some sales before it ends. So go to Product page and click Create New Template. Here just click Continue Editing. Okay, so click here and delete this. So real quick, here are all the elements you can use. Or you can also use the templates. But we're gonna make one from scratch. Drag in a product and delete all this. Then add a row inside the product and make it a double. Then go down to Product and add the image. Then make it 100% in size. Then add an image list. And go to Style and make it a slider. Then add the product title and make it 35 in size. Also make it completely black and left align it. Then add the price and make it 32. Then go back to your store and pick the store color and add it on the price. Then make it a semi-bold 600. You can't really see it, but it's there. Also left align. Go to Compare Price. Make that a 32 and I like a bit more gray color. Then add a text block for a headline. I'm just gonna copy from my other multi-bottle store. So make it a 19, completely black, and a 700 bold. Then add an icon list and delete the lowest 2 points. Just left align it. Add your store color. Actually, I prefer this. Make the icon a 25 and the text 18. Then type in your benefits. And now just copy until you have 3 to 5 bullet points. Then I'm gonna just copy the benefits. Then we need to add the swatches. Remove the label and make border size 2. Then just play around with the size. I'm gonna make it 120. Then center it and now we gotta add quantity. Again, remove label and make it a stretch. Then add the Add to Cart button and make it your store color. Make the text a 20 and make it a stretch. Then go to Design. Then under Border, make it black and make it a 3. Then add an image under the Add to Cart and make it a Good Trust badge. So basically just your payment methods. And make it a bit smaller. Now click on the product and then pick the product. Then add a text block and a good review. And of course center it. Then add a new row and make it double. So add an image, heading, and text block. So here just go more in depth with your benefits. Make the heading black and 600. Then insert your text, center it, and bold the most important parts. Actually, just make the heading a 700. Then just copy it twice. And on the second, make it reverse. I tried to upload my GIF, but it doesn't work. So go to Shopify and then Settings. Then go down to Files and upload your GIF. Then copy the link and paste it here. Now I'm just gonna insert the description. Now you can see the text doesn't fit the image size. So click on your heading, go to Design, and click Spacing. Then under Margin, try to center it, so 40 is kinda in the middle. And just do that with the 3 pictures. Also, here I just copied the bullet points from the benefits above and changed the text. Okay, so now go to Explore Blocks. Type FAQ and select this. Then you can drag it here to make less space between. Now go back to the blueprint and you can see you need 3 to 4 questions about the product and then 3 general questions. So I have my questions already, so I'm just gonna paste it. And then just copy the text from the blueprint. Also, remember to change the email here. Now click Publish and just call it Product Page. Now let's preview it, and this is our product page. This is better than 90% of other dropshippers and maybe even 95%. Now you can right-click, hit Inspect, and click on the mobile here so you can see how it looks on mobile. Now you can see there's a lot of space here. I would also like the variance on one line. The Add to Cart is small. Here I want the headline above the GIF. So there's a couple of changes. So go into Gempages and select the phone here. Make this 4 instead of 3. Make the swatches smaller so they fit on one line. Make the Add to Cart a stretch. And now watch this closely. Copy this row, then select the first one and go into Design. Then under Visibility, deselect Mobile. Then click the other row and remove all except Mobile. This will keep this product page on the other devices and let you change whatever you want on mobile. Now drag the heading above the GIF and remove the spacing. Now just repeat this with the other blocks. And this looks good now. Actually, let's just remove the spacing here. Perfect, let's publish. Now we gotta make the home page. Here we basically just copy elements from the product page into the home page. So select Image with text and add your image. Then make the image a large. Then select Image second and make this overlap. And now select the Accent 2 on Color Scheme. So just copy your product title and make it a small. Then add your first description. Then click on the button and select your product and type Shop Now. Wait, let's just go to Theme Settings and make the Accent 2 black. Then add a new section, also image with text. Add your GIF. Then just change the color to Accent 2. Paste the heading again and make it a small. Then delete the body and create the Shop Now button. Now add a multi-column and call it Our Customers. Make the heading size small. Click on the first column and delete the heading. Then paste a good review and make it italic. Then underneath write the customer's name in bold and add their star rating. Just do the same here and here. Now click on the multi-column and delete the texted button label to remove the button. Then add another image with text. Make this overlap and change the color. Upload the image, paste the heading, and make it a small. Then add the bullet points and you can just do it like this. Then again, add the Shop Now button. New image with text and upload the image. Change the color, paste the heading, and make it a small. Then paste the description and add a Shop Now button. The last section we're gonna add is a contact form. Change the name to Need Help and make it small. And then click Save, and now the home page is finished. We can look at mobile here. There's a mistake here. Go down to Mobile Layout on the multi-column and enable Swipe. This is way better. I think this home page is really good, so let's hit Save. Okay, so let's download some extra apps. Go to the App Store and search SDO Ant. Then find the sticky Add to Cart, Add App, and install. So we have this, but I prefer it simple, so let's remove everything and change the color to our store color. And also add the color under confirmation. And you want it to show after 15%. Then change over to mobile and do the exact same, like this, and hit save. Then the next step depends on your budget. You can download Ali Reviews for $10 a month, or you can download Judge Me for free. I actually prefer Ali Reviews, but since Judge Me is free, I'm gonna be using that in this video. So go to the App Store and download the Judge Me AliExpress Reviews. Click Add App and install. Now you also gotta download Judge Me Product Reviews. Right here you can see it's free or $15 a month. So click Install and install again. Click Next and install widgets. So let's check if it's on our product page. The stars are here, the Add to Cart and the reviews down here. But the product page is the old one. So let's go on to Gempages and click on the icon here. Then Product Page and click Assign Product. Then click Add Product and just add it. Now if we update the product page, it looks like this, but the stars and reviews are gone. So go on to Gempages and hit Explore Blocks. Then go into Elements and type Judge Me. Now drag the reviews right under the title and change it to Star Badge. Then scroll down and add the reviews and publish. Then go back to the Judge Me app and click Customize Widget. Go to Google and search Star Review Color, and let's pick this color code. So let's type in the color code and click Save. Then go over to the Judge Me AliExpress Reviews. Click Next and start importing now. Then go to AliExpress and find your product. This right here has the most orders and therefore reviews. Copy the link and adjust the settings. You can do anywhere between 20 to 100 reviews. But I'm just gonna go with 30 since it will otherwise take a lot of time. Then do 3 stars or more and select your product. And then just hit Import Reviews. So let's go to the product page and hit Refresh. And there's our reviews, and we also got the star badges. But I don't really like the text is yellow. So go back to Judge Me and Customize Widget. Copy this here and paste it at star color. And make this black and save. Refresh. And this is way better. So let's start going through the reviews. Click on Manage Reviews. Basic rules is delete reviews that's not in English. Delete reviews that say something about the shipping times. Go for 4.8 rating and use common sense. So delete reviews that say they bought it on AliExpress or something like that. After going through the reviews, we have 14 left, but I don't really like that it's so wide, and I prefer Ali Reviews that looks like this. But on mobile, there isn't a huge difference. If you're on a low budget, this is fine. Now we are completely done with the store and need to set up the final store settings. So go to Settings and hit Payments. Then you need to set up Shopify payments. It's pretty straightforward. You just give some information about your bank so you can get paid. Basically, just fill out the information. Then I also recommend setting up PayPal. But on new accounts, it will most likely freeze the money for some time. Just make sure that you have enough cash to fulfill orders. Then go to Checkout. Then change to require first and last name. Also, make shipping address phone number a requirement. Then you can select this for email and SMS marketing in the future. Then click Save and go to Shipping and Delivery. Then click Manage. And delete the US shipping zone or whatever country you're in. Also delete the rest of world shipping zone. Then create a new shipping zone, and because you're using Zen Drop and have 10 to 15 day international shipping, you can just make a rest of world. Also, the zone name doesn't really matter, you can just call it worldwide shipping. Then you're gonna add rate and type free standard shipping. And the price is 0 and click Done. Then add another and name it insured shipping, and there you can charge anything from $3 to $5. I just go 4.95. Then click Save and go to Markets. This is very important. Right now, you can only sell to your primary market, so under International click Manage. And then activate and you'll be able to sell worldwide. Also, this changes the currency of the store, so if someone from Germany is going to your store, the price will be in euros for him instead of dollars. I just remembered, we need to make the FAQ, so basically just copy it from your Gempages and paste it into the page here. Okay, just like that, and click Save. Then we can click View Page, and this is our FAQ. You can get it as a drop-down just like the product page, but then you have to pay for Gempages, which cancels your 30-day free trial. One of the last things we gotta do is go to Settings, then Policies. Then you gotta take your page and just copy them in here. You don't really need the contact, but I did it just anyways. Also, you can just leave the legal notice as it is. Perfect. Now it's time to buy a domain. So go on to Domains and type in what you want your domain to be. The .com domain is definitely the best, otherwise the .co is also fine. The domain is $15 a year. I know you can probably get it a bit cheaper on other websites, but this is definitely the easiest option. After you have bought your domain, you can set up your support email. Just click on your domain and click Add Forwarding Email. Then call it Support and write your Gmail where you want the messages to go. Then you also want to go into Navigation and click View URL Redirects. Then go hit Create and type /sale, and on the bottom paste your product page link. Then you go directly to your product page. Then you need to start your Shopify plan. It's only $1 a month for the next 3 months, and you still keep your 3-day free trial. Now for the final step is to like the video because this took so much time to make. But for the real final step, go to Online Store and then Preferences. Then scroll down to Password Protection and click this box here. Congrats, you've just published your own Shopify store that's better than 90% or even 95% of other dropshippers. Now I have 2 important announcements. 1. After you have finished your store, go to my Discord server. There's a link in the description and post your store in the website channel. Then me and the other members will give you feedback. We use the server not only to talk about dropshipping, but also self-improvement and investing. And 2. Next week, I'm gonna test this store with paid TikTok ads, so you'll see real results of how this store does. I upload videos every Friday at 4 p.m. EST, so subscribe and click the bell so you won't miss the video next week. By the way, this video right here has 1,379 likes, so go check it out. You might like it as well. Thank you for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you Friday.